testing a new codec. So X2060, yeah, X2064. No, 264. And yeah, can already see that's using more of my CPU. It's using 10%, and Venk uses 1%. Let's see, how much of a big hit is it? Startup users with performance. Can I really see more than this? It's using 10%. I don't know. Okay, let's open my stream. I think the quality looks a little better. Oh shit. It's a little Inception. So let's go. Getting boring tasks with Python. Part 2. Okay. I was playing like a super intensive game. I wouldn't use X264, but just for the better quality. Like it's sharp as fuck. And so let's go. So last stream, it ended Jesus, I can talk now. The way it ended was that where's Spiderman? Okay, I need to open it here. And I need Spider scripts. Yeah, I have Batman Beyond there. 100% legit. And yeah, so the new final JSON. It's around 293 names that a function that I need to name. So yeah, libpkr handle. So yeah. So I'll just test a little bit, like how should I handle the values. So let's see, let me just play it a little bit. So Python. So for JSON. And then final JSON. Okay, sorry. So if I do res values, I should only get the values. And let me just do 4 values in res values. Print v replace with underscore and v find. So I don't want the function argument stuff. And it's why does some of them, like most of them are okay. Let's see, Python find. Why is it not find it? Run. Let me just get one of the examples. So I need to copy that line. Oh yeah, just being dumb. So setup Scorpion. So this is the problem, right? So if I take this string over here, okay, and I do what I was doing there, which is replace, okay, and I run it. Come on, dude, just v is not defined. Oh, let me just define the v quickly as a string. Oh, it's because it's a different index. I can see now. Since the index is different, so it becomes unless and it moves to the front. Now it makes sense. Okay. Um so the index is not the same as might be expected. So R strip. Probably I can do it in a fancy way using R strip. Python remove characters from certain character starting from character, not specific. Or I can just do it the other way around. It's not. So what that I mean that I can do print v v find parentheses, and yeah, so here's a string, replace this with underscore. Yeah, perfect. Here are all the names that will be written. There's an inflate trees bit that I need to know why it's like that. Whatever. Let's name this function. So the pro name function. No, I have the Python name function. According to, so what? I just need to see the get string for function id API function start and file name as enforce. I think this is name functions based on the debug debug stuff. But this looks like set name. I the API. It's amazing. It's right here. So okay, so let's try this. So let's call it mass renamer. Mass renamer. What decorative folder? Mass renamer.py. So I don't know what is that, but okay. Import either API and either API set name. So let's try with a simple case like this one, right? So this case, test delete. So will this work? That is the question. Okay. Oh, it worked. And see, the name is now test delete. Great. And if I delete everything, okay, and I add 1 to the address, will the function still be renamed? Because white can't have a name. It's a tail white. Okay, great. Great. That's what I want to hear. Let's just put starting mass renamer. Print mass renamer as finished. So I can have good. So yeah, it's easier to follow. Mass renamer is, yeah, I can see the problem. Huh? Okay. Now if I press F5, you can see it's even there, test delete. So great. So I have an idea for this stream on how to solve the lots of strings, repeated strings, but I'll talk about that soon. So so I need the path. Okay, here security. Come on, okay, great. So I just need to import JSON. Hope there's JSON. Yeah, there's JSON because it exports to JSON. Name dict. So it's, I think it, just to be sure, does that even close the file? I'm kind of scared that it doesn't close the file and I'll have a problem in my hands. So raw string. It's just easier to have a raw string, to be honest. Read. Can just do fclose and JSON load f. Yeah, great. Now for key value in name dict items, name it's equal to the key starting from the underscore. So k find underscore +1 till the end. Great. And x string to int python. I think there's a way of saying int. Yeah, it's this. Okay, so address, the address, it's the name, it's int name 16. We'll rename to value. I'll put here the address. So format, we'll rename k string address so it becomes more explicit. We'll rename k to v and the address is address. Okay, so let's see if this works. Oh, what? I think I messed up somewhere. Probably, yeah. Fool me once. Okay, we'll rename to. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So let's just go to that address. So let's go to This address for, yeah, it's okay. And new name, it's equal to v, and it should end at fine. Yeah, already did this. Here replace these guys underscore. It's good for your health, and it's okay. New name. How will this go? Awesome. I have a shit ton of names now. So let's do that. Add the API. Set name of address to new name. Master namer. Oof. Of type. I don't know what's the problem. What the fuck? So it's probably. Wait. I think it's an object. Wait, did I drop any frames yet? Nope. Yeah, it's using 10. So let's see what's the problem. Print type of new name. Okay. Oh, yeah, I can see the problem. So new name, I'll just convert it to string. Okay. So can't rename because it contains that. It's not a problem. Are there two sliced image too? But why does it go to the end? Okay. Sliced image 2. Oh, it's two constructors. I think they are two constructors. So here there's a bunch of bullshit. Now what? How is it there? How is that even used already? Count 4 matches. So yeah, so yeah, as I said, it's two different constructors. Okay. I think I'm having the problem of having different constructors. So I'll remove the will rename things because they are kind of annoying me. Okay, master namer. Okay, load fun. Okay. So destructor. So what I'll have to do is go here and rename, replace the tilt with a structure. Yeah, perfect. Now I'll just solve some problems. Load font. Well, it's great that now I have a ton of functions named. It wasn't me. Hell yeah. I think that we plot is that. Holy shit, look at this. Roll credits. It's great. I love this, to be honest. Jesus Christ, I love this. So great. Okay. Now, fuck. I need to run that again. So, load font. Okay. So, out of font slots. Whoa. So, apparently, font manager, load font. This is not good. This is not good. Cause, yeah, that's why automatic naming is the best. I was being a jackass. So, let's go to, not out of memory, that's a dumb string. Font percentage is not loaded. Let's get font. Oh god. Thank god I have this automatic naming. It saved me. Okay, that's my bad. And probably this is wrong too. This is wrong. And so 293 functions were named at once, which is great. But now, these are still rookie numbers. These are still rookie numbers. Great. It's loading. It's slow as fuck. Should I create another repository for the scripts or Spidey tools? Yeah. Another repository will be great. As developer. Holy shit. Not this blind font. Let's go to font manager. Jesus Christ. So let's do a little grep minus R font manager. Oh great, there's no font manager being used. So this is the get font. So get the fuck out of here, you nerd. Get font. Nerd. Okay. And now I should only have no. Oh, this is the get font. This is not load font. Oh wait, I think it's not me. Oh. Let's do this. Load font char. Bitch, what the fuck? I'm confusion. Bitch, what the fuck? Oh, okay. Okay, that might be a problem. It might be a okay. This is a get font, obviously. No, this is a load font, obviously. So I can just fix them by hand, it's not a big problem. So let's just run as renamer. Oh no, sliced image. So I'll have to go to this address. Oh, this shit is already used. So how many set textures there are? Are there? I mean, there's 2. So everything is okay. So this can be the scheiß. 2. Great. And font manager load font 2. 2. Great. And the sliced image 2. I don't know what the fuck is a sliced image, but so this is another constructor. I think it's this one. Yeah. So sliced image 2. Let me just go with that. Oh, this is sitar 2. No. I need to fix these constructors. The constructor construct. Okay, great. So I named 293 functions. As you can see, they are all here. And let me just save this database real quick. So yeah. So I don't know why this decompresses a live there, probably. It's only used here. Why? Yeah, but it's not a big deal, you know. Okay. Yeah, what's the zlib version? Version. Does that really matter? I don't think so. Let's see, compress, zlib. Version. Is there a way to get versions? Wherever. So let's name more functions. Now with the power of love. So what I'll do, it's again extract the names. So the mass renamer can go for now. So the way I want to do it's by using lookup table. So what I'll do is the following. So of course inline stuff will not be able to. Jesus Christ, why is my print? Okay, so the way it will do it's by using a dictionary, lookup table, whatever, where the key will be all the strings of a given function, right? And the value will be the name of the function. And the great thing about this is that I don't have to do the shenanigans that I was doing yesterday, you know, about checking the number and whatever. Because if I create the Windows ones, and I create the PowerPC ones, like if the keys match, then it's the same function. Like there might be some discrepancies, but those can be fixed by hand. But most of the work can be automated, and that's where I want to go. For example, cases where this approach wouldn't work, inline functions, as shown in the load font one. So the get font function gets in lines. So yeah, that's that's um that's an example of stuff that's a thing that might happen. So it's right here, inflate 1.1.3. Inflate my ego, malware attribution. No, you should be using the most recent versions 1.1.1.3 and before are subject to double free vulnerability. So the game is vulnerable. Oof, that hurts. That hurts. Yeah, that hurts, my dude. Yeah, I think I can just use the most recent as a leave. It's not like speaking. The palette still needs to be fixed. Which textures are you talking about? Did you comment that long ago? Okay. Which palette still needs to be fixed for certain textures? I don't see which textures are failing, to be honest. Like I don't edit the textures. Some HUD stuff in the PSX. The PSX exporter doesn't export HUD elements. Like it does export HUD. Like there's a private version that does, but it's not public. It doesn't export HUD stuff. It just crashes. Because it's a complete different format, like spool PSX. So we go down here. Where is that? Fuck, I forgot. Fuck. I need to go here. PSX PVR. Okay. I don't know the name of the function. Okay. So. Hello. Is it okay? So where's the function? So yeah. So in the game you have all of these types of formats. So PSX 256-bit maps, 16. So these are mostly HUD and map elements. And yeah, where's so then you have I think it's just load the correct HUD element, not really needed. So PSX PVR are the textures that are on the models of the characters. They come from the Dreamcast version. So what the PSX extractor does, it's extract these ones over here, just the recreation of this function. Of course it doesn't handle these, and this one, for example. Yeah, but these functions are quite simple, to be honest. That's HUD stuff, the boss icons in the levels, like most of HUD stuff, the boss icons in the level textures. Yeah, it was never meant to extract level stuff, so it might be wrong with extract. Just I'm pretty sure that HUD elements are not PSX PVRs, and that's what it was meant to. So it's just a recreation, just reverse engineered of this function over here. This that calls this create texture in PVR ID, then goes down here, and where's the extraction? I forgot. It's not these. Any of these. Is extraction. No, that's. There's a function call down here. I think it's this one. Doesn't look like this one. No, it's not this one. But yeah, there's a function call that actually extracts stuff. I got it, but face texture in not necessarily level specific. The face texture in Monster Rocks. If you send me an example, I can look at it. I'm pretty sure that's okay. Like, just send me a file and I'll see that. Like, legit, I can literally see the result of the extraction. It's not hard. I'll do a memory dump and see what's the correct one. Yeah, if you send me what's the file, I can see what's wrong with it. Okay. So yeah, so this function fails. This method of renaming functions fails with um, inline functions, but it's already a good start. So get here something. I think this is literally like this, but I can look at it right now. Okay, let's look at it right now. So I have to stop this. So tab.com. I don't have a file loader, so I'll need my own file loader. And let's see. So I'll be using this one. So bug free custom texture loader, bug free. And I need the patches. So it does console. So I'll show you what's supposed to be the correct texture, because I'm pretty sure that's the correct texture, but if it's not, then I'll just add it to be fixed. So console, okay. And I don't know if you are interested in learning how to get into texture extraction and stuff. Bing, fuck. I can actually delete this one. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Where's the X window? It's here, and I need X64 right there. Okay, I'll start this guy, attach this bitch, change command lines, add minus console. Okay, and start. Okay, so that's Monster Rock. Oh yeah, the intros are not disabled. Fuck, forgot that. So if they are extracted. Oh, I didn't remember I had this skin. It's probably long ago. No, suck. Okay, so regarding that, so I already did the reverse engineering part, so loader, I think it's in loader, no, this just, no, it's in patches. That's the file loader, this is the texture loader. So the texture loader, convert VQ, it's this function over here. And too much shit open at the same time. Come on. Which one is the correct one? That's this one. Yeah. Okay, right here. So this function over here returns the Monster Rock skin. Not the Monster Rock skin. Sorry. This is the texture extraction. This is generating the twiddle table. Like if you go to the Dreamcast documentation, you can see. I think I still have that document. The Dreamcast. Fuck, I don't have it. But there's a really nice Dreamcast documentation that explains what's this. This is called twiddling. Not really needed for this stream to know what it means. And okay. Wait, does it? Yeah, it's this one. Okay. So let's go to Linux. I'll select and Monster Rock. Didn't. Oh, it's probably loading Spidey stuff. Okay, it's playing the cutscene. Fuck. But it didn't load Monster Rock, as far as I know. What's the name of Monster Rock? It's right here, super rock. Okay, so you just go to here and put a breakpoint there. So didn't return anything. It returned what? Oh fuck! I'm dumb. I don't know which of the skins this will be, but following dump. So this is a skin over here in memory. Right here, okay? I don't know how many bytes it is, but wait. Let me just see if I can remember. So it's 80 by 80. 80 by 80. Fuck. And it's 16 bits. 16 bits. It's 2 bytes. Calc. So 80 times 80. Yes. So all of these times 2. Okay. Best way of doing memory dumps is with, oh fuck, oh yeah, it's with this cheat engine. Spidey PC. Add address manually. And okay, have an address. Okay, here it is. Memory view. Where's the dump? File view dump. There's a dump function here. Tangent dump memory. Yeah, it is. No, not this. I used these shits to dump the memory. Yeah, but yeah, I know. I know you can dump some amount of memory. Jesus Christ, where's the option? Create header. Disassemble, no. Dump, auto stop. Dump memory. Yeah. I've done that shit, what the fuck? No. No, I don't want. Forgot how to dump memory, what the fuck? Oh, but first I need tile molester. Tile molester. And where's the download button? Okay. So okay. I get 2 minutes. So this is what. Come on, dude. Come on. Okay, good there. Great. Now. So let's do it with x64 debug dump memory. I don't want to dump. So file name if you the size, okay. I can use save data. I've never really done that. Save data. So C users crystal desktop dump.bin starts at this address and goes on for no. I almost got baited. 8,000. 8,000. Okay. What? Save data. What? Didn't I do it correctly? Save data, x64 debug. Dude, there's some unhelpful shit over here. Oh! Are you serious? It's without the parentheses. Jesus Christ. Hell yeah. So Let's now go to tile molester. Did I open it? Yeah, of course. Jesus Christ, it's such a mess. Open. Desktops. Dump in. So, image. Palette format. No, where is it? The size. I need to change the canvas size. Zoom mode. It's two-dimensional. Pitch. It's already here. You can see it. You can see it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I can see that. 80, 80? Pitch. Let me write. 80. It didn't change shit. Hello? Bin open. Again? Oh, how can I change the canvas size? Mode, block size. 80. 80. Just did that. Bitch. Come on. This is not the oh god. Is there the wrong? Ah, fuck, I need correct size. How can I put the correct size? Alright, like probably missed a lot. What I was saying is that I'm dumping the textures directly from the game now. So I don't know if you heard this, but there's this function over here. This is the function that takes care of the extraction of the characters' textures. And I'm just putting a breakpoint here and seeing what's the result and dumping it. Just trying to change the fucking size of this palette. Oh, canvas size. 80 by 80. Motherfuck. Are you serious? It's 80 by 80, but not this, the canvas. It's stupid. It's stupid. Come on, dude. It's trolling me. Getting trolled. Let's do just 20. Sometimes it doesn't let me do it. Oh, it's working now. It's okay. Block size, custom. 80. Are you seeing this shit? It doesn't let me go that high. 80. Why does it look like shit? But this is not the head skin. Okay. This is not the head skin, so it's all good. So let's try to get the head skin. I know, but which of the skins it is? Like, if you don't put the -a, is it the first? If you tell me the number, it will be 10 times easier. Data. Do I have PSX text? Yeah, I have PSX text. It's all good. So I just need to do PSX and super no, fuck. How did it? There are 10 textures. So it's the very first one. It's the first one. Alright. Foot texture is 3. Yeah, I don't know if you're saying 3. Yeah, so this is the foot. Okay, whatever. Wait, what's the size of this? Yeah, it's super small. Okay, that explains it. So what's the size of the head? That's what I care. Size of the head, it's 256, which is 80? Is it 80? Is it 80? Yeah, it's 80. 80 times 80 times 2. Okay, great. So what I'll do now, I'll remove the breakpoint for now. This one over here. No, I won't remove it like that. I'll just disabling it. I'll just need to put here a comment. Testing for super awk. Okay. And then you can just run fine. Okay. I think the game just decided to commit suicide. Okay. Bug free. Custom texture loader. Biggest lies. Okay, level select. Before going into level select, I'll enable this. This one, right? Yeah. So enabled, and monster rock. It's breakpointed, but it's not the one that I care about. I think it's just reloading Spidey's textures. It's not something that really matters. Come on, come on. Yeah, okay. Now it plays the cutscene, and since I was on the debugger, I can't get. Yeah, that's why I disabled the cutscene. Like, that's why on the first version of the custom texture loader, they're disabled. Yeah, because it's a bitch to test like this. Like, imagine having to watch this like 10 times just to test the thing. So, okay. So it's loading Super Rock. As you can see, I just press F8. Here's the address, and okay, I'll just call it dump 2, and it's dumped. Let's see, open dump 2 bin. Right here, boy. Image, mode, 2-dimensional, image, codec. I got the wrong codec. Fuck, dude, what's wrong with me? Okay, as you can see, the colors are okay. Full. Come on, can do it. Because I can't get the palette format. Palette, view, oh, size. I don't know what's this. Oh no, that's a palette. I need the canvas size. Yeah, but as you can see, the colors are okay. It's not about my extractors. They are not broken. You can see it's RGB. Yeah, as you can see, these are definitely the colors. I don't know if you're there. Let's see. Yeah, you're there. Okay. This is literally the color. I'm failing to get tile molester canvas size. How the fuck do I change the canvas size? Hate the 16 by 16. Bullshit that day. Motherfucker, how do I change the size? Yeah, as you can see, these are the colors. It's literally from the game, but if I manage to get the correct dimensions, it will have worked. Yeah. So these are literally the colors. I'm just failing to get the correct dimensions, but I think you get the idea. I think I didn't dump it all. I think that's the problem. Oh yeah, I didn't dump it all. Jesus Christ. That's I didn't dump it all. That's the problem. Where is it? Where is it? Right here. Call it dump 3. Stupid. Now, well, I probably did dump it all, but that doesn't change the colors. Okay. Let me just get more data. Like, doesn't hurt. Mode, 2-dimensional, image, codec, RGB, 565. Okay. View, no, image, canvas size. 80 columns to 80. Why does it look like shit? Yeah, the colors are the ones that you want. I don't know why the canvas is looking like shit. 80 by 80. It's not 80 by 80. This. Why is it? Canvas size. Stretch. No. What? Yeah, I'm probably messing something up right here. But yeah, this was the process that. Why does the head have those colors but the body does not? Dude, that's probably something related to DirectX stuff. I'm not super familiar. But yeah. I don't know why it's behaving like this, but I think you get the idea of what's happening here. Yeah. I need, yeah, but it doesn't really matter. You can see the colors. So yeah, like the problem is that it could have never been the problem in the PSX extractor because the palette is embedded in the PSX files. And it's just a lookup table, and like if the extraction works for a file, it must work for all of them. Yeah, so I'm not sure why it looks like that, but yeah. that's what I can say now. So the mangle, great. So oof, some. So now let's name our functions. String to function. It's over. And string to function. Vision Spiderman, and these are the Windows ones. No, what? Stupid. Let's delete the old ones, because now I have more named functions than before. Yes. Now downloads, string to function. Come on, dude, come up here. And I'll create an actual script for this because I'm not fuck the trial and error from before. Matter, I'll call it probably I don't know. Lookup string by I just need to do, wait, can I, let me try to do something here. Yeah. Come on, dude. Yeah, it works. Now I just need to do term. Hell yeah. So everything is going fine. But JSON when the JSON loads f1 open string to func dict wind load f1, same thing f2 and 2 C and PPC. Okay, and the format of this, it's string to function. So I need to do the reverse here, which kinda goes against the my initial idea, but yeah, it's a fucked up world. I'm just too lazy to fix it. I'd rather have extra work. So I need to create a set of all the functions and just do the inverse thing. No, it's not a dictionary, it's a default dict. From collections import default dict. I'll actually create a function for this. Def inverter and original dictionary. So for key value and shit, dictionaries are mutable. Fuck, forgot I know that lists you can't pass, but I think dictionaries you can pass. To dict, where is dict? So for each one in this one, I'll just scroll through the items, and for entry in each of the functions, to do to dict entry, and wait, probably I'm doing it right. Then I went, yeah, then I need to invert it again. Fucking hell, this is boring. So for entry of the function, I want to append. Yeah, so given that I have a list, so I want to append a string. Great. And yeah, that's all it does. It's just for every single function entry, for each function, it just appends a string to that function. So let's try to call it here on the wind functions. So it's a default dict, list, and inverter, wind functions. Let's just print wind functions here, and Python lookup string. So now for this given function over here, we've got these functions. So I want to filter this. So after this, I just need to call filter on wind functions. Just need to dict filter lambda x x0 starts with sub, and not starts with sub in function items dict now for real, and it's still here, and Python. Oh shit, always mistaking the filters. It's the opposite. It's that contains the subs. I want to name the subs. So for example, this function contains all these reference to experience DRND. So I don't think I need a frozen set, or I need a frozen set. Yeah, I'll try with the frozen set for now. No biggie. Hope so. The problem is that, for example, this one that has experience GRND. Let's see, experience GRND. There's like, as you can see, it's unhealthy amount of times it's used. So I probably need an actual list. So tuples are immutable, so they are actually useful. The problem, it's the order, so I need to sort them. But does this happen in this version? exp grnd spool psx. That sucks. Okay. Defines this so many times, like for example this one. Yeah, I actually need a tuple, and I can even try. Yeah, I need a tuple. Yeah, I need a tuple. Okay. Whatever. And now I need the PPC functions. Check all of them. C functions, and here I need no PPC. I can sometimes I press random keys by accident. Yeah, so I need a tuple I need to sort these functions, these things over here, these lists. How do I sort them? Yeah, I can just sort them here. So at the end, after having this to dict, for key value in to dict items, then to dict items, no, to dict k equals to v sort none. Fuck. I know that there's one that's in place. I think it's sorted Python. It modifies a list in place, but does it? So I do this. Fogging, no, bad time. Yeah, looks good. But then I need to convert it to tuple. So to dict key equals tuple v. So looks great. Tuples are immutable, so everything's okay. And now I just need to reverse them. Just need to reverse this. If this is the case, then I don't need the other thing, but it's okay. Turn dict. So for kv in to dict items, I just do return dict v equals the key and return return dict right here. And if that's the case, then I don't need these default dicts over here. Just to dict default dicts list. So yeah. In functions, just need this. Yeah, I can just work on this later. Inverter. When dict right here. And here the PPC dict. Let's see now. So here it is. So for the string display we have this. For the strings shown here, yeah, scarp tail has changed, shag tail smack. Okay. So let's just move this up here and let's print when dict. So the thing is that I only want, so when dict, need filter, when dict, I only care if this starts with sub. So sub, yeah, exactly. Let's just do a print of this. So when contains functions and PPC. Yeah, format and contains length of when dict. Exactly. Here length of PPC dict. Now I don't need to print this. 197. So at max I'll be able to name 297 more functions. Hope it works. It doesn't. It doesn't. So let's look at the results. Salt. It's yeah. I just need to filter. It's filter of window dictionary items. The X. So I only want to keep the ones that contain this in PPC dict. Great. There's an entry. Result. We got length of result. So let's go. Shit. Just too fast, to be honest. 36. So out of all of them, I only got 26 more functions, which is still good. Still good. And result. So cursor, BMP, bed tripod. So apparently there's a function that only contains this string, cursor BMP. Let's look at it. It should only contain that. Whoa, 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 this is not good, this is not good. There's a fuck ton of them that contain this string. Only this string? It's weird. So we got them. Shit. So it's 50C10. So let's go here to 50C10. Sub 50C10. 10. Yeah, it's this one over here. And okay, this is good. So there's only a function like that. So for key value in results items, and we'll rename PC dict key. Of course, I forgot the F. We'll rename that to this. So we got the expoly. So we'll rename because of key. Sorry. Great. So this. Let's look. Let's look at the cursor BMP. It's right here. So PC shell initialize. So this is apparently PC shell initialize that we can verify. Here. Yeah, there's this call, and there's only one argument with 36. And if you look here, it's 36. And then there's some other function calls. For example, sprite 2, set mouse hotspot. But this is going okay. This is going fine. And I'm super happy that more 26, so 26 more, it's great, it's great. I'm not bitching about it. I was expecting more, to be honest, but it's not. I don't know why they have a dot behind. But yeah. So I need to export them. Export it, I mean. Export it, and to export I'll just do JSON dump with open more functions JSON to write as F it is open, and I can just do more JSON. Yeah, JSON dump result. Wait, I think I should process this, or should I just use mass renamer? I think mass renamer will handle it fine. What's the format of mass renamer? Jesus Christ. All came around. So it just loads a file and is expecting the name on the left and the sub underscore something. Shit, so this is not done yet. 2, so result k equals ppc dict k f. Great. So must be string. Sorry, what's the problem? JSON dump. What's the problem? So dict should be working. This must be string int, not tuple. Oh. So let me just create the right dict. Right dict. So it's dict. So for key value in result items, just put it up here, or each one over there. Result dict, it's equal to ppc dict key. It's equal to b. Dict. Oh, it's right dict. What the fuck? It's not be dumb. Hell yeah. So it wrote all of this. So let's look at the folder or function, the JSON. That's the name of the function. Yeah, everything's okay. So I'll just call mass renamer on this bitch again and just continue with my life. With more 36 functions. With more functions being defined, the happier I am. So constructors such as laser, decompress stream, add mem file, free voice, if player ceiling check. Huh, nice. Okay, this is all good. So we have running. Close this. Yes, I want to close this. Spider scripts, mass renamer. Just need to come here, put our functions. Great. And just the royal alt F7. Oh, int. What? What? What bitch? What bitch? What's going on, bitch? So the key should be the address. Oh wait, did I export it backwards? Come on, I did it backwards. Jesus Christ, such a nerd. Okay, all great. And pd python lookup string py. Great. Now it will work. For shizzle. For shizzle. And mass renamer is finished. So we can now look at stuff like lizards. Ooh. So happy that now this is working. Like most of the function is still named, but if you look here, the greater scheme of things, I'd say that we already made some fair progress. For example, this unknown substate is used a lot. Sucks. Cannot free null pointer. I don't know where this is. Apparently it's only used once. So I don't know why this wasn't picked up. So let's see, for example, this one. There's no cross-reference, so this is why. It explains it a lot. But yeah, I'm happy with the amount of functions that we're able to name. Probably create a new script, new repository. Let's do spider scripts, GitHub, Spidey tools new, Spidey scripts, scripts that aided the reversal of the game. Git ignore, there's no git ignore. Okay. I won't do git ignore. License, of course it's MIT, do whatever you want with them. Give credits if you use it. What? Okay. So do not initialize the repository. It's a big no-no. And fuck. Oh, it initialized with okay, whatever. PowerShell git init git remote add origin. So git remote is adding the remote repository, and I'm adding git remote add, and I called it origin because I'm used to calling it origin. There's a lot of confusion. So people think origin it's an established so this is just choosing the remote. As you can see, it's a lot of newcomers can have doubts. Status git commit scripts added scripts like push git push set upstream. So there's no upstream right now. This just means that master. Yeah, okay. So this just means that if I write git push, it pushes to an upstream, and there's no upstream set. So okay, so I think it's done. I don't know where I have my Spidey tools repository right now. Do I have it here? Spidey tool. No, I don't. Motherfucker. I'll have to clone my repository. And cd git clone https github.com crystal gamer spidey tools.git. Great. So cd spidey tools git how to add some module. Git some module add. It's just doing it's a module add yes github.com crystal gamer spidey scripts.get git status. Yeah, changes to be committed. And next spidey scripts git push. And now if you come here, let's see greatest profile ever, and there's spidey scripts. Hell yeah, it's working. Hell yeah. Can I just make it always? Great. So now I have a submodule. Spidey scripts, they are not mandatory for now. They do exist. How long have I been streaming for? So I've been streaming for roughly 1 hour and a half. Okay, I didn't know it took me that long. I think probably what took me longer was the small detour that I did. I think I'll stop streaming now. I didn't do any reversal. I did. I just named a bunch of functions. But yeah, I'll continue. I don't know if later today or just tomorrow. Yeah, this has been going fine. But for tomorrow, yeah, now, yeah, okay, no, okay. So for tomorrow, so this is still not done. This is still not done. So for my next thing that I want to do is the stuff generator. So yeah, I called it xref naming yesterday, which is completely wrong. So what this should do is that, for example, this function over here, there's this function call over here. Oh, it's a lot. And so it should get all the function calls inside of the pseudocode, and then get what's the type, like here, C declaration, and generate a stub for it. Nothing else, just that. And that's sorry, that's where I'm, so that I can just do it without an effort. It will be 10 times easier to generate, to advance like that. So symbiote droplet, yeah. So there's a lot of symbiote ones right over here, which is great. Drop down, slang to target. Here's the destructor, here's the construct. Yeah. Sniper targets, smoke ring. Great. Yeah, so yeah, I'll see you later or tomorrow, wherever. But yeah, I'll keep doing it. Now it's even funnier and better. Not funnier, more enjoyable, I mean, to do it. And yeah, see you soon. Uh, Come on.